In front of me is Vivo Y76 5G, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial numbers. So you've got two options. Let's start with the quicker. Open your keypad and enter a secret code, which is *##06#. And here you've got the device information with both IMEI and serial numbers included. Click on OK to close it. And now you can also use the second method. So at first click on Settings, then find and select About Phone. Now reach Status, and here you've got both IMEI numbers, and if you'd like to reach a serial number as well, you just need to open go back and then open software information, and here you've got serial number. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.